God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore will not we fear, though the earth be removed, and all the mountains be carried into the midst of the sea.
Here I am with a heart longing for riches and glory. The day is gone. I wait for tomorrow, but they still don't come my way. Men walked away with my dreams, and I thought that could have been me. I could make a wish and dream of a fancy car, but here instead of my empty hands, you gave me reason to smile, promised me the stars, when I'm like a fugitive running from the hands of time. Lord, you are my hiding place, a shelter from the rain. Lord, you are my hiding place, a shelter from the rain. I'm finally free from a heart mesmerized with the beauty of this world.